Yeah. Now you can feel the soul, you know.
Ferrari. Italia.
Well viewers, a great morning. I just made an Italian coffee and we are continuing our journey. Here you can see it. So let's enjoy the coffee and let's keep driving, and we headed to Ferrari. Quick stop for a B break, and now let's continue 1 hour until Maranello. We have an F8 Tributo here and lots of nice cars. Wow, we are entering the Museo Ferrari. 380 meters to go, and right there we have another beautiful lineup. Test drive pit lane. Very great California F8 Tributo also. Man, I'm so excited about this town. Here it is. This is Museo Ferrari, the museum where all the passion is. Amazing. Let's continue focusing on the road and let's see what we can find. This should be, I think, the famous entry of the Ferrari Puro Sangue. This is the factory. That was the entrance of the Ferrari factory. Man, oh man, what a special town. Maranello. Welcome viewers, welcome. The Porsche 911 in Ferrari town. Funny, man. Alright viewers, we are going to do something incredibly crazy. Wait, let me switch the camera. Alright, I'm in the full Ferrari mode. So I have my Ferrari hat and I have something very, very special. I'm going to drive for the first time in my life a Ferrari. Which one? It's a Ferrari 488 Spider. When I was a child, this was a big dream car of mine, and oh man, I cannot wait. Let's cross the street safely here. So you have all these companies that where you can just drive the cars. You need to pay a little bit. It's an amount of money, I know, but it's something so special, and we can make a beautiful memory. We can make a beautiful YouTube video. This is something where I want to give some money on. So let's enjoy. I'm going to record the full drive. Alright, very important, obviously, the specs of the car. So we have a 3.9 liter 90 degree twin turbo V8 making 661 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour is 3 seconds and a top speed of 325 kilometers an hour. Let's freaking go, and we will be driving this. Girlfriend is ready to make some nice shots, but man, what a beautiful car.
Hold on. Okay.
Awesome.
Still on the brake.
Yep.
Right pedal for the first gear. Okay, you can see here number 1. Perfect. Number of the gear, automatic, like drive mode, you know.
Okay, perfect.
You ready?
I'm handbrake.
Push the throttle, it's automatic.
Okay, beautiful. Let's go, man.
And turn right.
Okay. So
Yeah, don't worry. Let's go.
Beautiful. Oh, lots of power, you can feel it immediately. Awesome.
Yeah, I know.
661
670 horsepower.
Yeah. Let's maybe stop for the beat.
Yeah.
Right, awesome. 0 to 60 is 3 seconds. Top speed 325 kph.
Wow.
Oh, this sound, man. Awesome. So, yeah.
Left.
I go just?
Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah, obviously.
It's a white car, you know. Wonderful.
An expensive car. When the valves open, it's awesome.
Yeah, I love this engine.
Oh.
I absolutely fallen in love for this engine.
Insane. Really insane. Alright, let me make sure I'm recording also.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah, we are recording. That's
Wonderful.
good. Perfect. So in town, always keep safety. out of town, you guys in Italy, you just drive.
Yeah. It's a perfect place.
Yeah.
Left. It's a perfect place to drive fast, drive crazy, you know.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh man, this looks amazing with this mirror and then the air intake in the back.
Yeah.
Insane. So driver focused. Everything is here, you know.
Yeah.
Awesome. Never driven on a racetrack.
Right, yeah.
Never driven on a racetrack. I want to experience this very badly, but the problem is when you drive with your car on a racetrack, it's and you have a problem, then there's no insurance.
Not by your car, your own car.
Yeah, you need to rent maybe some car because
Yeah.
awesome.
Let's go here. Now you can feel the soul, you know.
Ferrari, Italia. Oh my goodness, the power this thing has. Wow.
Right here.
Oh my days. It's amazing, man. This is insane, man. Wow.
And here, the second exit, straight over there.
Yeah. Oh, here's the
Yeah.
this is a famous place, I think.
Yeah.
For the viewing.
Here.
Perfect. Wow. Good to go.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Wow, man.
Let's
Insane.
go.
Wow. I saw this video on YouTube when someone was shifting that it was like instantly.
Yeah.
Like-
You wanna try? Yeah. Okay. It's a dual clutch, you know.
Awesome. Awesome, man. Thank you so much. What an
My really pleasure.
dream come true. Wow.
There's speed camera here.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry, 70.
Oh, okay. Great, you told me.
On the bridge.
Awesome.
Straight on the bridge.
Okay. What's your favorite Ferrari?
Ooh, huge question. I love the F8. It's the
Yeah.
evolution of 488. You know,
Yeah.
I love the sound of 488. The F8 is
Insane.
it's not louder than
Insane.
yeah. But 296, trust me, it's a real monster.
296.
296, 800, yeah, 830 horsepower. You know, the acceleration, it's insane.
Wow. This is awesome. Yeah, I can imagine. And this is so fast.
And tell you what, one another thing.
Yeah.
The gearbox is better on the Roman unit in 296.
Yeah?
It's better.
Yeah?
It's faster.
Yeah?
You really?
All
It's
right.
incredible. 8
Yeah.
gears, not 7.
Because this car now is
7 gear. 7 speeds
7
here.
speed,
Yeah, 7 speed on 488
Yeah.
and 8 speed in Roma and 296.
So it's like
yeah. Yeah, it's
really.
it's incredible.
And it's also like because this is an older car now.
Yeah.
It's older. It's fun. When it was built, it was in 2016, 2017. Don't worry.
Don't worry. worry, I'm
I can
here.
start
I'm
stop and
here.
edit the
Don't worry.
video here, right?
Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry.
How can I put this in? Can I put the transmission in full manual?
Yeah.
Just this. Okay,
17.
Now it's my turn to.
Yeah.
All right.
All
yeah,
the way
okay.
around here and back.
Back. Okay, and then floor it.
Yeah. 2017.
It's 2017. Okay, yeah. So almost 10 years.
Yeah.
It's crazy how fast time flies. I remember when this car came out, looking YouTube videos of it
Yeah,
and
I
everything.
know.
Let's try this.
Ready?
Now ready. Always ready.
Let's go, man.
Oh man. Holy moly. Oh my god. You tell me when to slow down, okay?
Yeah, don't worry. You're good.
Oh man. I need to save up money for now. For one of these, yeah.
I hope for you.
I need to do. Oh my goodness. Valves are opened.
You drive good, man. Great timing to shifting.
Yeah, the first time I was like, how far can it go? And then it was like red line.
Yeah.
So it's around, I think 7.5 maybe.
Yeah, 7.5.
Then
It's,
shift up.
it's correct.
Yeah.
But you're good.
This is your full-time job?
Huh?
This is your full-time job?
Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm a driving instructor for race driving and
Oh,
safe
really?
driving. Yeah.
Okay, now. So also.
Yeah, I'm a freelance. I'm working for other company around Italy.
Awesome.
Yeah, I know.
You have
I'm
a
lucky, you know.
Beautiful. You have a nice car yourself?
I'm electric car, you trust me, but my race car is a Peugeot.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a rally driver.
Do a Daytona SP3 or not?
No, it's a F80.
F80. Holy
Yeah.
crazy shit. I cannot spare for the YouTube video. Oh my goodness. Never seen it. Yeah, it's brand new.
Really brand new.
Wow. No way, man.
Yeah.
What a day.
Yeah, I know.
This
Good
is-
for you, good for you.
Oh, I forgot to shift back.
Yeah, don't worry. Can I give you a little advice
Yeah.
for to drive better? Okay,
Really?
the
Really?
fingers
Yeah?
around the steering wheel, always,
this? Like
and
this or like this?
Yeah, when you're shifting, move.
Yeah?
When you're shifting,
Yeah.
move and return on the steering wheel.
Oh, okay.
Let's get.
Yeah, to always have the...
Yeah.
Okay, let me try. So,
Yeah.
like this?
That's good.
Okay.
Right here. It's
Okay.
better.
Thanks. Learning every day.
Same, all the way around and back on the bridge.
Okay, perfect. Back on the bridge.
Yeah.
Maranello. Good morning. Puro sangue. Also brand new.
It's a Puro Sangue, yes, but
Yeah, it's now...
I think it's for maybe new model.
Yeah.
That's some testing. I don't know. Straight. Follow the Puro Sangue. Yeah.
Two-wheel drive.
Yeah, two-wheel drive is funny.
Now it's okay because it's dry and it's
Yeah,
hot
yeah,
and the
yeah.
asphalt is hot, but when it's rains,
Yeah,
it can kill you.
Yeah, it's crazy. Right, the first?
Here?
Yeah.
Ferrari, man. Beautiful.
And left.
Okay. Wow, what an experience. careful not to damage the machine.
And the stop left.
Oh yeah, we're back on at the factory.
Yep. Let's go. Let's go.
Wow. This was worth it. The Maranello.
Yeah.
New Lamborghini.
The new one.
Yeah. Beautiful. This is a store for just clothes?
This was, I don't know.
Factory there.
At the stop, turn right.
Okay. Here?
Yes, yeah. And this is the racing team building.
Okay.
Yeah, for the drivers, not only.
Scuderia Ferrari.
Yeah, Scuderia.
Okay.
That's good.
Scuderia.
Left. Not only for F1, but GT3, Le Mans, you know.
Yeah. All this time, all these things. Beautiful. Yeah. And also the track.
The track, well, on racetrack.
Yeah,
No.
the private track to test the cars.
Yeah, yeah, we rented an experience, but a different car, not a normal car like this,
Yeah.
but a real race car with a roll cage. You know, you need a helmet.
Yeah.
And there's no automatic transmission, only manual.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's a good experience.
Right.
Advise you to try it.
Awesome. And then I just drive here
Yeah,
in the middle.
to the left.
Perfect. So just in front.
No,
where I just parked,
Park
where it was.
to the left. Perfect. Be careful. The child.
Yes.
Straight like this. Straight. Perfect. It's so good.
Thank you so much, man. It was
My pleasure.
dream coming true. Thank you so much.
My
Really.
great pleasure.
I'm going to end the video here.
Yeah.
Well, viewers, we made it to our final destination finally, but what an opportunity and what an experience. The drive of the Ferrari 488 Spider. I mean, it keeps getting in my memory and keeps playing again in my head. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and next video will be very nice because it will be a POV drive through Tuscany with a Vespa. Let's go. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.